Continue.
Okay. In previous period, we have to studied in definition of cofactor of an element. Then example of cofactor of an element. First, define the cofactor of an element. If D be the determinant of any order and Mij is the minor of an element and Cij is the cofactor of an element, then Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij is called as cofactor of an element, where I is row and j is column. Then Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. Then example of cofactor of an element is D is equal to minus 1 2 1 0 2 3 1 2 minus 1. Okay. Then first, this is the determinant of order 3 into 3. There are 9 minor of an element, also 9 cofactor of an element. Then M11 is equal to, by eliminating first row and first column, 2 3 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 8. M12 is equal to first row second column 0 3 1 minus 1 0 3 1 minus 1 0 3 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. M13 is equal to first row third column 0 2 1 2 0 2 1 2 is equal to 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. M13. This is a 3 minor of an element. Then M21 is equal to first row completed, second row first column. This is the second row first column 2 1 2 minus 1 2 1 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 4. M22 is equal to M22 second row second column, second row first column. M21 second row first column 2 1 2 minus 1 2 1 2 minus 1. M22 second row second column minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. M23 is equal to second row third column minus 1 2 1 2 minus 1 2 1 2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 4. M31 is third row first column 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. M32 third row second column minus 1 1 0 3 minus 1 1 0 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 0 is equal to minus 3. And last M33 third row third column minus 1 2 0 2 minus 1 2 0 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 0 is equal to minus 2. All these numbers is a minor of an element of the given determinant. Okay. Then to find the cofactor of an element, first C11, therefore C11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into minus 8. Okay, is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 1 to the power of 2 into minus 8 and is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Means sum of these two, sum of I plus j is even, therefore given cofactor is a minor of an element. Okay, आता M12 C12 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into Mij minus 3 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 into minus 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to 3. Means therefore C12 is equal to 3. Means I plus j sum of row and column is odd, then Mij, Cij is means cofactor of an element is multiplied by negative sign, and I plus j, row and sum of row and column is even, then cofactor of an element is Mij, means therefore is equal to 3 plus 1 4, C13 3 plus 1 is 4 means even number means cofactor of an element is Mij minus 2. Okay, therefore C21 2 plus 1 is 3 means odd, therefore cofactor of an element is multiply by negative sign means 4. 2 to 4 C22 is equal to, as it is, 0. C23, therefore C23 is equal to C23 5 multiplied by negative sign minus 4i plus 4. C31, therefore C31 is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4, as it is 4. C32, therefore C32 is equal to C3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5 means odd, multiply by negative sign is 3, and therefore C33 is equal to even, 3 plus 3 is 6, even, as it is minus 2. Then cofactor of an element, cofactor of determinant is equal to C11 C12 C13 C21 C22 C23 C31 C32 C33. Okay, and is equal to which element here? C11 C12 C13. This is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. 1 2 3. Okay, this is the first row, this is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row, means C11 minus 8, C12 3, C13 minus 2. Okay, 404 and 43 minus 2, 43 minus 2, 43 minus 2. Then values of this determinant delta is equal to, this is the A11. Understand here, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, these values, this is a D is equal to. Okay, then A11 is A11 into C11 plus A12 into C12 plus A13 into C13. Okay, then delta is equal to A11 is 1 multiply by C11 is minus 8. Okay, A12 plus A12 is 2 multiply by C12 is 3 plus A13 is 1 multiply by C13 is minus 2. Okay, then delta is equal to minus 8 plus 6 minus 2. Delta is equal to minus 10 plus 6, and delta is equal to minus 10 plus 6 means minus 4. Means values of the given determinant is equal to minus 4 by using first row, by using minor of an element and cofactor of element. Use these two terms. Okay, then how to find the regular method determinant of these values? D is equal to minus 1 to 1 to 0 to 3 1 to minus 1. Okay, then D is equal to minus 1 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 2 into minus 2 into 0 minus 3 plus 1 into 0 minus 2, then is equal to minus 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 12. अरे काहीतरी मिस्टेक झाली बघा. Okay, a11 is equal to -1, a1 is equal to +1. ही मिस्टेक झाल्या, याला -1 करू म्हणजे काय येईल इथं +8 येईल, +8 येईल. मग 8 इथं थोडं चेंज होईल. 8 + 16, 8 + 6 is equal to 14. 14 - 2 and 14 - 2 is equal to 12, and this value is equal to this, d is equal to 12. Means both two methods we have to solve. D is equal to values of this determinant is equal to 12 and values of this determinant is equal to 12. म्हणजे कुठलीही मेथड यूज केला तर त्याच्या व्हॅल्यूज तेच येतात. ह्याला काय म्हणता येईल आपल्याला, फाइंड द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ डिटर्मिनंट बाय युजिंग कोफॅक्टर मेथड. ओके, म्हणजे कोफॅक्टर आणि मायनर ह्याचा यूज करून तयार केलेली मेथड. म्हणजे फॉर्म्युला आहे डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू डी इज इक्वल टू a11 इंटू c11 प्लस a12 इंटू c12 प्लस a13 इंटू c13. ओके, इन फर्स्ट रो हे अप्लाय फर्स्ट रो. आता डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू सेकंड रो समजा, डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू डी इज इक्वल टू a12 मल्टीप्लाय बाय c12 प्लस a12 मल्टीप्लाय बाय c12. सॉरी, डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा और d is equal to a21 multiply by c21 plus a22 multiply by c22 plus a23 multiply c23. This method is apply second row. and third row साठी काय असेल, third row साठी in third row delta or d is equal to delta is equal to d is equal to a31 multiply काय येईल मग c31 plus a32 multiply c32 plus a33 multiply c33. हे apply third row. ओके, मीन्स टू फाइंड कुठल्याही एका रोच्या अप्लाय करून आपल्याला ते डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड करता येते. त्याच्यामधला पहिली आपण ह्याच मेथडने यूज करतोय किंवा आपण डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू सॉल्व करत असताना बाय युजिंग फर्स्ट रो. मीन्स -1 मल्टिप्लाय बाय एलिमेंटिंग फर्स्ट रो अँड फर्स्ट कॉलम, मग मायनस सेकंड फर्स्ट रो सेकंड एलिमेंट मल्टिप्लाय, मग प्लस फर्स्ट रो थर्ड एलिमेंट मल्टिप्लाय by use this, by using first row, by using second row, by using third row. This is the values of the determinant. And formula for delta or d is equal to a11 into c11 plus a12 into c12 plus a13 into c13 by using first row. By using second row म्हटल्यानंतर काय लिहिलं पाहिजे, a21 multiply by c21, a22 multiply c22, a23 multiply c23, and by using third row this. Okay, then example for the in this first determinant minor and cofactor of the determinant. Okay, examples. Find the minor and cofactor of the determinant. Find the minor and cofactor of the determinant. Okay, then first 2 minus 1 3, d is equal to 2 minus 1 3, 1 2 minus 1, 1 2 minus 1, 5 7 2, 5 7 2. Okay, then how to find the values of minor and cofactor, minor of an element and cofactor of an element. Minor of an element, this is a determinant of order 3 into 3, This is the determinant of order 3 into 3. Therefore, there are 9 minor affine element and there are 9 cofactor of an element. Then m11 is equal to, direct solve करतो आता मी, m11 is equal to, by eliminating first row and first column, सांगा 4 plus 7, direct 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. m12 is equal to first row second column 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. m13 is equal to first row third column 7 minus 10, 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. This is the 3 minor affine element. Then m21 is equal to second row first column minus 2 minus 2 minus m21 second row first column minus 2 minus 21, minus 2 minus 21 is equal to minus 23. m22 is equal to second row second column 4 minus 15, 4 minus 15 is equal to, 4 minus 15 is equal to minus 11. m23 second row third column 14 plus 5, 14 plus 5 is equal to 19, 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Okay, m31 is equal to third row first column 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. m32 minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5, and m33 is equal to third row third column 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, this is a minor affine element. Therefore, cofactor of an element C11 is equal to 112 even as it is 11. Therefore, C12 1 2 3 odd I change minus 7. Therefore, C13 3 plus 1 4 even as it is. C21 2 plus 1 3 odd असेल तर चेंज 24, सॉरी minus 23 ला plus 23. Okay, therefore C22 2 plus 2 4 even as it is minus 11. Therefore C23 2 plus 3 is 5 odd change is equal to minus 19. C31 3 plus 1 is 4 even as it is minus 5. C32 3 plus 2 is 5 odd change 5, and last C33 is equal to even as it is. म्हणजे काय असतं, फर्स्ट as it is, सेकंड चेंज, थर्ड as it is, फोर्थ चेंज, 5 as it is, 6 चेंज, 7 as it is, 8 चेंज, 9 as it is. ओके, अशा पद्धतीचं आहे. मग कोफॅक्टर ऑफ फाईन डिटर्मिनंट cofactor of an determinant is equal to C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33 म्हणजेच काय असेल is equal to, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. 11 minus 7 minus 3 minus 7 minus 3 23 minus 11 minus 19 minus 5 minus 5. दिस इज अ कोफॅक्टर ऑफ फाईंड डिटर्मिनंट. ओके, म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीनं मायनर आणि कोफॅक्टर फाईंड करू शकतो. आता समजा फर्स्ट रोनं मल्टिप्लाय हे करायचं असेल डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ द डिटर्मिनंट डी इज इक्वल टू A11 मल्टिप्लाय बाय C11 प्लस A12 मल्टिप्लाय C12 प्लस A13 मल्टिप्लाय C13. ओके, apply the first row, find the values of this determinant. A11 की A11 means 2 multiply by C11 is 11 plus -1 C12 -7 plus A13 3 multiply C13 -3 क्या आला 22 plus 7 minus 9 is equal to 22 minus 2 is equal to 20. Values of this determinant is equal to 20. अशा पद्धतीचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करता येतील आपल्याला. डी आता हे झालं फर्स्ट रो, हे झालं सेकंड रो. अप्लाय सेकंड रो डी इज इक्वल टू A12 डॉट C12 प्लस A12 सेकंड रो म्हणताय A21 डॉट C21 प्लस A22 डॉट C22 प्लस A23 डॉट C23. Put the values of these values and solve this determinant. Both two determinants are definitely equal. And apply third row. D is equal to A31 dot C31 plus A32 dot C32 and plus A33 dot C33. ओके, अशा टाईपचे प्रॉब्लेम आहेत. कुठले अप्लाय फर्स्ट रो म्हणता येईल, सेकंड रो म्हणता येईल, थर्ड रो म्हणता येईल, कुठल्याही रोनं तो सॉल्व करता येते किंवा कॉलमनं सॉल्व करता येते. ओके, अशा पद्धतीचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू शकता. ओके, फिनिश.